Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. Today I am going to show you how to create simple and beautiful website using Canva. Canva is one of the best tools to create a website. In today's digital world, having a website is essential. Whether you are a blogger, a freelancer or running a small or big business, you should have a website. Everyone don't have technical skills to create a website. Luckily, we have lot of platforms available like WordPress, Blogger and ready-made website available online. Don't worry, we will show you one of the simplest way to create a simple website. Let's get started. First of all, you should have a Canva account. If you don't have, please create a Canva account. Once you logged in, you will land on Canva homepage. Then you will see there is an option of website. Just simple click on it. Now you can see there are multiple options available. What type of website do you want to create? Business website, portfolio website, event website, education website. So many options are there. Just take business website. Now you can see there are multiple options available. You can choose any type of website. You can also choose any website according to you. This one. Let's take this one. Just click on apply 6 pages, then you can see we have 6 pages website available. You just click on the text, whatever you want to change. You can simply change text and images in this website. Just double click on the text and start typing here. You can see it is very easy to use. Just click and change the text. Just click and change the image. You can change any text, whatever you want. You can change any image. Just simple click on it. The option is not available here. We can change the image from our upload options. Just click on image, then go to upload section, then pick an image from here. Just drag and drop and your image will be replaced. See, if it is not good, you can choose another image. See, it is very exciting. Within 5 minutes your website will be ready. Let's add few more text here. Now it's time to change the heading also. You can change your services. You can also add services, and you can also change the contact information here. Just put it your phone number, email address. Now it's time to publish the website, and we have two options. You can go with Canva free domain, or you can choose your own domain to publish your website. Just click on get a new domain. Now you can see we have two options: bring your own domain or claim a free domain. Let's go with first one option. Just type your domain here. Then continue. Now let's click on connect manually. Now you will see you need to copy this and add in your domain setting. Just click on record edit, then copy this value and go to your domain setting. Just click on DNS. First you need to edit this, then paste the value here, then save. We also need to add text record here also. We also need to add text record also. Just copy these text records and go to your domain setting. Just click on add new record, then choose text, then paste here and copy another value. Copy this and paste it there. Simply paste, then save. Save. Now we have added all the details. It will take around 20 minutes or maximum 72 hours to sync with your domain. Just wait for few minutes and refresh the page. Now see, just click here and you will get your second domain here. Just click on it, then click the button publish your website. Congratulations, your website is going to live. You can also choose Canva free domain also. Let's see the preview of website. The website will look like this. See all the text available, whatever you have changed. The images are also there. Now we can also go with free Canva domain. We have already taken the domain. We cannot go with that. Now just use free domain. I am using amitwebsite.mycanva.site. Then just click on publish. This is also live. See, the preview will be same. Just refresh the page. Your website will be live from both options. See, the domain is live. Thank you friends. If you face any problem, then just write in the comment box. I will try to solve it. Hope you will find useful information in this video. Please support my channel. Please like, share the video and press the subscribe button for more videos like it. Thank you.